If you are struggling to receive payment internationally using Paystack, there's a very simple reason for this. And I'm going to show you what would most likely be the reason. Because people write me and they say, I want to receive payment from people outside the country and the payment keeps failing. So the reason is this. You see, most people outside the country, especially those in the USA, and basically all these top 5 countries, most of them are going to be using either their Apple Pay or their Google Pay. And inside of Paystack, you need to manually request for that. That is usually the main reason why these things will fail. So the good thing is that under Paystack or inside of Paystack, this is the new Paystack interface, by the way, which I consider very ugly, but there are people who think it's good, but I do not think it's great. I think I actually prefer the older layout, but I digress. So here they can tell you why the transaction failed. It can be customer error, fraud blocks, bank error, and system error. All right. So if it's failing, in most cases, it might just be because of the bank, all right, which is something like this. So let me show you what really happens. If I come to this other account that I have with Paystack, you can see that I have the Apple Pay here, all right. If I come back to this account and then I go to settings, which is actually how you do what I want to show you today, and then you come to the payments, you see that the Apple Pay here is not active. So most people who would want to pay for your services or anything like that, or your products, and they want to use Apple Pay, this is not going to work because we do not have it set up. All right. So the simple thing to do here is all the things you have here, like card, bank, blah, blah, blah. You want to make sure that you have everything, like set them up, turn them on so that people can have multiple options to pay with. All right. But again, this Apple Pay is important if you want to receive money from people outside the country, especially America, Canada, and the rest. All right. So what you need to do is just come here, click on Apple Pay. So it's going to tell you to enable it. But if you enable it, it's going to allow you enable it. All right. So as you can see, it has been enabled. I wanted to say something. Sometimes if you want to enable it, it's going to deny you the access. All right. And in that case, all you have to do is contact support. Initially, I had made this video and then I tried to enable it. It did not allow me to enable it. So now that I'm making this video, like 24 hours after, it just went through without any issues. So in case you encounter that same issue, you can just come here, contact their support, and then tell them that you want to enable Apple Pay and all of that. They are just going to do some kind of verification and they will enable it for you. Or you can try my method where you just request it and then maybe give it some 24 hours. But I didn't really think about it. It just happened. And I just decided to just make this video again because I wanted to show myself in the video. The first video I didn't show myself. I just said, why not? Let me just show myself. And then it, as you can see, it now went through. So you need to make sure that your Apple Pay is on for them so that they can easily pay with the Apple Pay, because most of them, if they cannot pay without the Apple Pay, they will just abandon the transaction, because a lot of them are quite skeptical to just bring out their cards and start imputing on. So the Apple Pay is much better for them and you don't blame them. Also, there's Google Pay, but Paystack has sort of removed that, or is that Flutterwave? But you can also make sure that you check this accepts international payment too, so that people can just have option, this pay attitude and everything. And then if you want this one, American Express, you can also toggle it on. So let me just do that. Or should that be another video? Let's just do that. So you enable it and then it has been enabled. So just make sure that you have all these payments methods open for the customer to see or to have options. Most people do not know that you need to enable these things manually because Paystack just turns some of them off. So if your payments are failing, this is most likely why. Go to your setup and just enable all these things by yourself. And I hope that this video helps you. Please like the video. Bye-bye.